Hello amazing traders, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Victor and it's good to see you again. Today I'm going to be teaching you. Today I am going to be teaching you about supply and demand trading course. Without further ado, let's go into chart to understand. But before we go fully into chart, what is supply and demand? And how can you use that simple strategy to change your trading career? As a trader or if you are a beginner, please subscribe, follow my YouTube channel, like, comment. Without further ado, what is supply and demand? Supply and demand is a relationship between buyers and sellers in the market. In every industry from the beginning of production, there are sellers and there are buyers. So supplies are the sellers, while demand are the buyers. And in the trading world, supply and demand are simple strategy that will help you to understand the structure of the market, because market moves in waves. Market moves in waves. Market is either buying or selling or ranging. So when market is buying, that is bull market. That is, market is moving up, because a bull is an animal that kills its enemy by pushing them up, while bear is an animal that kills its prey by pouncing them to the floor. So also, when market is in sell mode, market, it simply means that it is the seller that are in the market and they are the one that is in charge. So demand and supply are the major key zones of market structure that will help you to understand what is actually happening in the market space. So here is the monthly analysis for GBP USD from the historical chart to this chart. And as a trader, how can you understand the supply and demand key zones in order to be profitable? Please watch this video to the end. It can really change your trading career. Goals of every trader is to understand of how market move. If you can understand the movement of the market, then you can predict what market is doing. Because our game as a trader is to predict. And how can we predict? Through my price action analysis. Price action analysis is the ability to check the previous price action history of any market in order to determine the future. So like I said, watching this free course will actually save you hundreds of hours of trouble. If you can understand this simple strategy, it can help you to be a profitable trader. So without further ado, let me pick my major tools to understand. In order to understand the full meaning of demand and supply, let me draw a simple market structure. A simple analysis of what demand and supply is all about. You can see now this is our monthly time frame. Let me draw my key levels. These are major key zones of what is happening in the market space. You can see now these are major key zones in the market. These are major history price action. When you can understand what has been happening in the major history price action, it will help you to navigate the market successfully. Voila, it will help you to understand what has been happening in the market successfully. This is monthly time frame. Let's go into the longer time frame to actually see what is happening. This is GBP USD in 3 months time frame. In monthly time frame, this is 3-month market analysis. And me looking at the back, you can see massive historical price action. So you can see, but since we are now dealing with the present, voila. I love my chart to always be clean and straightforward. Clean, voila. Now this is GBP USD in weekly time frame, and you can see these major key zones that when markets reach these major key zones, market was pulling back. Since 2020, the buyers have been in the market and they have been pushing the market up. What the fuck? This is GBP USD monthly time frame, and in this monthly time frame we can see that market reaches specific key zones through the previous price action in order to help us understand what the future might hold. Understanding the previous price action is one of the simplest way for you to understand what is going to happen in the market in the future. Please, once you watch this course finish, open your chart and plot these key levels. It is that simple. It's as simple as ABC. And this simple strategy have made me to be a profitable trader. And I will want you to do the same thing too. Because my goal for you in this channel is to be a profitable trader. So you can see in monthly time frame that when market reaches major key levels, market bounce back. So let's see through the trend line, voila. So through this major trend line now, we can see that GBP USD has been in sell zone since 2014. GBP USD since 2014 has been selling, which is GBP USD has been selling since 2014. This is lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and equal high, lower low, lower high, and there is a probability that market is coming here to come and form lower low, which are the basic approach in order to understand the nature of the market. Which are major things in the market, and as you can see in the monthly time frame, GBP USD has been consolidating. If we check the previous price action in this monthly time frame, we can see now that GBP USD has formed double top, and that is another thing for demand and supply. This is demand zone. This is demand zone, and this is supply zone. As long as market is in this level, market is in supply zone. What does it mean? It means that from this key level of 1.29121. Under this trend line, it is the seller that are in the market. Seller are the one in control of what is happening in the market. But if GBP USD can break this key level, retest, and bounce back, so this is supply zone. So supply zone, let me mark it up so that we don't forget. This is demand zone. And this is supply zone. This is demand zone, this is supply zone. Understand this basic simple structure will make you to be a profitable trader. So I would like you to go into your channel. I would like you to go to live market analysis. Go and plug your own key levels. Understand what is happening, and it's simple as ABC, so that you will know how to plot your major key levels. So let's see what GBP USD is doing. Right now, this is weekly time frame. Now, for us to understand how powerful is supply zone, market was moving lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Let me show you. This is lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and market has the potential of reaching this key level as lower low. These are supply zone and this is demand zone. In these key levels from 1.3, so these are supply zone and this is demand zone. As long as market is beyond 1:1.30,000 downward, that is supply zone. So the major trend in monthly and weekly is saying that GBP USD is much more of a seller than a buyer, and that is what I am trying to tell you. As a trader, you need to understand the first thing you need to understand in the principle of demand and supply is who is in charge of market, who is in charge. As we are seeing in this GBP USD, sellers are in charge, not buyers, which is suppliers. They are the one that is in charge of the market, and market will sell for a very, very long time. We can see that new market has opened already, and market is already dropping. And let's go to daily time frame. We can see that in this daily time frame too, same thing. It is the seller that are in the market. So let me now go in deep. If you check the history of price action, market has been doing. Now there are minor key zones and major key zones. This first one that I drew were major key zones. Let me now draw minor key zones. These are minor key zones. These are zones that they too hold, but they are not as the The monthly key zones are the granddaddy of market zones, but these zones are also major levels that market respect so much, that market pay attention. When you reach those key levels, market is ready to pay attention when you reach these key levels. They are the important key levels too, because those key levels also give us the strength of what is happening in the market. So understanding the supply and demand zone with such level of trend line can make you to be a massive profitable trader. It can really change your trading career. Please, if you don't understand this video, watch again. Go to live market and go and plot the key levels. If you don't understand, drop your comments below and let me know. Ask any questions and I will answer you. So ask any questions and I will answer you. So if market can, as long as GBP USD bounce up from this market, then the buyers are in place. But if GBP USD break this key zone, to this and break this trend line also, then retest, then there is a probability that GBP USD is coming to this major key zone. Is coming. You are seeing it for the first time on this channel. So understanding these big, and for you to understand how market move, just zoom back to the previous structure of market in order to see what is happening in the market. You can easily see that in this previous price action is one of the previous price action is one of the key indicators that help us understand what is actually happening in the market. And that is why, as a trader, your number one responsibility when you want to trade any market is to zoom out. Don't just zoom in. Yes, it is good when you go to 15 minutes, 30 minutes to go and see what is happening, but they are okay. But at least come to daily time frame, zoom out, see what is happening, check. So if I'll be entering this market now, I will prefer to enter to click sell than buy, because this market is extremely heavy to sell side liquidity than buy side. So as a trader, that is what you need to know. How did I know all this? How do I know all this? It's so simple. Just look to the left. You can see that market is heavy in the left. Once you look to the left, you will be able to identify the major key zones. And once you understand the identified key zones, bring out your trend line or this simple tool to measure the key levels. You can see market touch it here. So market is coming to touch it here now. So if this sell side touch it here and reject this key zone, it means that market is about to go to massive buy. But if market break this structure that I'm showing you here and retest it again, then GBP USD is in massive sell. And that is the major confluence, that if you zoom out to weekly time frame and monthly time frame, it's the same thing, that the major market participants are the sellers. Sellers are the major key participants. And there's something else I want to show you. Power of trend line. Having drawn my trend line, you can see that this is the first touch of the trend line. When market reaches major trend line, it bounces back. Let me remove this one. Market bounce back. When market touch here, it bounce back. The seller enter again. It touches here, it bounce back. Now we are at the third of the trend line, and according to the law of the trend line, the third touch of the trend line always does the magic. Third touch of the trend line always do the magic. So if you are interested in trading GBP USD, please go back to your chart, go and check the previous price action, draw the major key zones of support and resistance, and in my next analysis I will be showing you simple strategy on free entry and exit, because your duty or your job as a trader is not to be a chartist. You are not designed to be a chartist. You are designed to enter market and be profitable. You must know the right time to enter market and right time to exit the market. So with this basic market structure I have shown you today, please go back to your chart, open the key levels, draw it, and let me know what you think. And please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, because I want us to grow this channel together, and I can't do it without you. I cannot. But with you on my side, I'll be able to dish out a lot of massive content, a lot of massive course that I'll be releasing step by step in order for you to be a profitable trader. Thank you so much for watching. Please go back to your channel, go back to your chart, go and plot your key levels too. Check what is happening. You can see these major key levels. The market respected here, 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 here. That is why I call them the granddaddy of all key levels, because each candles you are seeing here are monthly candles, and for candle to reject it here, that is massive supply zone, and that is exactly what is about to happen here. So GBP USD is about to drop. Let me check the pips. GBP USD is about to drop for how many pips? Let me check. Oh my god. GBP USD is about to drop to 2,200 pips. You have seen it on my channel. Take it from me. 2,200 pips. GBP is about to drop with 2,200 pips. So it's possible that from now henceforth to the end of this year, GBP USD is about to drop massively. Go into your chart, go and plot the key levels. Check how it looks like. If you have any comment, suggestion, please drop it below. Thank you and bye for now.